The AI dashboard with the power of Python is a complex data visualization tool used for tracking the production and allocation of raw materials for assembly processes. Here's a detailed breakdown of its components. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI-DNN architect. Tables. 1. Raw material issued to production for 50 assembly. This table lists level 1 items, their units of measurement, and the quantity required for one sub-assembly. It also details level 2 items, their units of measurement, and the quantity required for one sub-level 2 item. 2. Quantity required for one assembly. Similar to the first table, but focuses on the quantities needed per complete assembly. 3. Additional raw material requirements. Provides further details on raw material requirements for the production process. Notes. 30 assemblies moved to finished store for QC, indicates that 30 assemblies have been completed and moved to the finished goods store for quality control. 20 assemblies raw material in production, suggests that raw materials for 20 assemblies are currently being processed. Pie charts. These charts provide a visual representation of the data related to quantities required for sub-assemblies by level 1 and level 2 items. They help in understanding the distribution of materials across different assembly levels. This dashboard is used by production managers or teams to monitor the flow of materials, manage inventory, and ensure that the production process is running smoothly. It allows for quick identification of any potential shortages or surpluses in raw materials and helps in making informed decisions regarding production planning. The dashboard with quantity and value is for the costing department for various purposes. Thanks.